All right. There's a lot of people here. Did Kim get a view of this? Kim, there's a lot of folks out here. Yeah, flip it around a bit.
We're gonna flip it around, brother.
That's pretty cool.
Say hi to Kim.
Everybody say hi to Kim.
Woo! Yeah, Kimmy.
Yes, it's beautiful.
All right.
Hey, Keisha. Keisha.
Oh. Wave to Poppy. Good job.
She's waving to you.
All right.
What a beautiful scene.
It's a good scene, man.
Love you, Marcus.
Love you too, man. Here we go. There's a blue light over me, and the blue night. There's a blue light over me, blue serenity. Nothing sad about blue to me. It's a quiet blue sky. It's a quiet blue high. And the blue nights. Yeah, it makes me feel alright. Blue serenity. Nothing sad about blue to me. There's a blue light over me, and the blue night. There's a blue light over me, blue serenity. Nothing sad, all about blue to me. Baby, wanting a red light maybe, and the purple when we meet, in the blue nights, blue serenity. Nothing sad about blue to me. Serenity, nothing sad about blue to me. Thank you. All right. That was called Blue.
Yeah.
And ever since I put that song on a record, iTunes thinks I'm a blues artist. And there's one song that's a blues on the whole record. I'm suddenly blues. Cheers. So much for eclecticism of any kind in the music industry, right? Everything's got to be in a box. Anyway, I'm going to do Kim's favorite tune.